My name is Carol Frost, and I'm an assistant professor here at the University of Alberta in the Department of Renewable Resources. Some of my research is on how we can restore solar farms right now. So the question, do we need to? That's a great question. And my answer is yes. So after solar farm construction, first of all, solar farm construction involves removing most of the vegetation, if not all of the vegetation in an area. It's just like any other thing that people build. We use big equipment that compact soil. We have to remove vegetation because sometimes we have to dig to put the bases of the solar panels into the soil. Usually there's underground wiring that needs to be put in place. We need to build fences around the solar farm. So in short, to build a solar farm, we create a huge disturbance to the vegetation community that is there. So if that's all you want out of that land area is solar electricity, you don't need to restore a solar farm. But many people who put solar farms in hope to get multiple values out of that land. They either hope to use that land for agriculture, or they may wish to restore the land and use that land to support biodiversity. So my view is that if we're not using the land for agriculture, definitely we should restore it because solar electricity takes up a lot of land. And already, as of 2019, only 25% of our Earth's land area was sufficiently unimpacted by people, unused by people, that natural ecological processes and evolutionary processes are still happening. So that is not a lot of natural land that we have left on our planet. And so if we now start using some of that land to produce solar electricity to meet our energy needs, we can't afford to lose the biodiversity that's supported by that land as well. And we should be trying to restore natural vegetation and other biodiversity, microbes, fungi, insects, larger animals back to that area too, because then not only can we get solar electricity from that land, other animals can live there, and that land can also support biodiversity. So those are the reasons why I would argue that it's important to restore solar farms.